But really, this is more to do with perspective and values than it is to the geographical location. So when we look at the maps, it's difficult to see the connection between what makes a Western culture. But when we think about the values and some other aspects of these cultures that they might share, we can see that they do have some things in common. So a lot of the values related to work, family, time and authority are related to this dichotomy. And so Eastern cultures tend to share some values and Western cultures tend to share opposite values. So when we talk about the Eastern values, what do we mean? The first one that comes into mind is that the relationship is also seen as more important than the task. So when we're in a business transaction or in a business interaction between two companies, it's more important to maintain the relationship that you have with that company and with those people than it is to achieve the task or achieve the goal that you have set. Another characteristic that these cultures have in common is that status and ceremony are seen as very important. Another concept that is very important in Eastern cultures, according to anthropologists, is the idea of saving face. By saving face, we mean saving your reputation, but not just your reputation, but the reputation of the group that you belong to. So if those are the Eastern values, what are the Western values? In the Western world, again, according to anthropological studies, the task is seen as more important than the relationship. So it's more important to get a job done than it is to protect people from perhaps causing offense or having conflict in a relationship. Status is also seen as less important. So it's less important to show respect for authority figures than it would be in an Eastern culture. Another thing that is very important in Western cultures is individual success. So the success of an individual is seen as more important than the success of the group as a whole.